Good morning, children. Today we are going to read the lesson once again and underline the difficult words and do the exercises that come after this. So, children, take out pencil and underline the words which I am pointing out. Okay. Mowgli and the bandar. Mowgli is a 7-year-old boy raised in the jungle by a family of wolves. Bagheera and Balu are his teachers and best friends. They teach him the laws of the jungle and keep him safe from danger. One day, the bandar take Mowgli away. The bandar were disliked by the jungle people as they did not follow any laws. How was Mowgli saved? Read this picture story to find out. Now from here onwards, you will underline the words which I tell you. The bandar wanted to make Mowgli their leader. They thought Mowgli was very clever because he could light a fire. One day, they followed Balu, Bagheera and Mowgli till it was time for their midday nap. Now underline leader, Mowgli, clever, of course Balu, Bagheera, then midday nap. I'm so tired, Balu. Let's take a nap. Underline nap. Suddenly, Mowgli woke up with a jolt. Underline jolt. The next thing he could remember was feeling hands on his legs and arms and then a swash of branches on his face. Underline swash. Hey, what are you doing? Leave me alone. These are the word meanings, children. Midday nap means afternoon sleep. Jolt, it means jerk, means felt shaken. Swash, the meaning here in this lesson is sound of the moving branches. Mowgli stared at his friends on the ground as Balu woke up the jungle with his deep cries and Bagheera bounded up the tree with every tooth bared. So underline bounded up. Bounded up. Bagheera has seen us. Now the jungle people will praise us for our courage and cleverness. Underline cleverness. Quick, Balu. The bandar have taken Mowgli. Bounding and crashing and whooping and yelling. Underline bounding, crashing, whooping, yelling. The whole tribe of bandar swept along the tree roads with Mowgli, their prisoner. Underline prisoner. The bandar had their own tree roads, up hills and down hills. They could easily travel by these even at night. I need to send back a message to Balu and Bagheera, for they have been left far behind. Now let's look at the meanings. Bounded up means leaped or jumped. Whooping means shouting loudly. Mark my trail. Tell Balu and Bagheera. Underline this word, trail. What name shall I give, brother? They call me Mowgli, the man cub. Now, what is the meaning of one blood? In the lesson, it means brothers. Trail means path. Meanwhile, Balu and Bagheera were getting worried about Mowgli. Underline worried. You taught the man cub the laws of the jungle. Why didn't you warn him about the bandar law? Warn, underline. I am the most miserable of bears. Oh, Mowgli. Mowgli, why did I not warn you? Underline miserable. Miserable means useless. Just then, Bagheera and Balu heard a voice calling out to them from the sky. They looked up and so ran. Up, hello, look up, Balu. Hello, Bagheera. Hello, Ran. What are you doing here? The meaning of the word miserable is useless. I saw Mowgli among the bandar log. They have taken him beyond the river to the monkey city, the call layers. Go find him, you too. Bagheera and Balu decided to follow Mowgli's trail and visit the call layers to rescue their man cub. Now, underline rescue. Now, what's the meaning of rescue? Save from a dangerous situation. The part which is adapted, extract from the Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. Now, students, exercise A, reading comprehension. Write T for true and F for false for these statements. Now, first question. The bandar log kidnapped Mowgli. True or false? True. Ran and Mowgli knew each other from before. Did they know? No. False. Balu was angry with Bagheera. No. False. Ran did not know where the bandar log had taken Mowgli. No. False. Bagheera and Balu went to the call layers to save Mowgli. Yes, it's the right answer. True. Exercise B. Now answer these questions. What was Mowgli doing when the bandar log took him? What was he doing? He was taking a midday nap. Why were the bandar log happy that Bagheera had seen them? They were happy that Bagheera had seen them because they thought jungle people will praise them for their courage and braveness. Whom did Mowgli ask for help? Ran the kite. Mowgli asked Ran the kite for help. Who taught Mowgli the laws of the jungle? Who taught Balu? Balu taught Mowgli the laws of the jungle. What was Ran's message for Balu and Bagheera? What was the Ran's message? So what was the message? That bandar log had taken Mowgli away. Read the line from the story and answer the questions that follow. This is called Refer to the Contest, RTTC. Oh Mowgli, why did I not warn you? Who said this? Balu. Balu said these words. What did he not warn Mowgli about? He did not warn Mowgli about the bandar log. You can write the answer also here. Why was the speaker blaming himself? The speaker was blaming himself because he had not warned Mowgli about the bandar log. What happened immediately after this? What happened? Immediately after this, they were met by Ran the kite. Now children, let us come to the grammar part. Here this exercise we will come to know about synonym. Already we have discussed synonym and antonyms in the grammar book. Now what do we mean by synonym? It's a word that means the same as another word, same meaning. See now, example. The bandar log wanted to make Mowgli their leader. Now, same word. The bandar log wanted to make Mowgli their chief. Now, look at the second sentence. The word chief is the synonym of the word leader. Now, some more examples. Shut means close. Hard means tough. Start means begin. Fill in the blanks with the correct synonyms of the underlined words. Choose from the box. Hema has found a new road which leads to her house. She has also, now you have to find out a word similar to this, found. Found means located. So we'll write the word here, located. My mother buys fruits from a shop in Chandni Chowk. She always, another word, purchases fruits from the same seller. The number system was invented in ancient India. Now, similar to this word, you will see here, this old system is still in use. Ahmad is very clever. He is the most intelligent in class. Moving to another city was a hard decision for my family. But my parents had to take this difficult decision. She was a strong woman. She was firm. The same meaning, which when faced with difficulties.